I chose this 8000 BTU window unit because I needed stronger cooling for a bigger room without moving to a much larger system. Setup was straightforward, and once running, it pushed noticeably colder air very quickly. For hot days, that immediate response made the space comfortable faster than my previous smaller unit.
What stood out early was how well it handled medium-sized spaces. In rooms around a few hundred square feet, it has enough capacity to pull temperatures down without feeling overworked. That match between output and room size is exactly what I wanted, because it gives stable comfort instead of short cycling.
I like that operation is simple even with multiple modes available. I can use basic cooling when needed, then switch to eco or sleep settings when I want quieter overnight behavior. Having those options keeps it flexible for different times of day without forcing complicated controls or constant manual adjustments.
The temperature range is practical for real use, and the unit responds well when I fine-tune settings. I can keep daytime comfort efficient, then lower it more at night if needed. That control matters because weather and heat loads shift through the day, and this model gives me enough range to adapt quickly.
Cooling speed has been one of the best parts for me. The unit starts moving room temperature in the right direction quickly, which is crucial when it is already hot indoors. I do not have to wait forever for relief, and that faster ramp-up makes the room usable much sooner for work, sleep, or downtime.
Noise is present, but in my setup it is manageable and even a bit soothing at times. It is not whisper quiet, yet the sound profile feels steady rather than harsh. I can still sleep or focus with it running, which is important because a powerful unit that is impossible to live with would not be worth it.
I also appreciate the washable filter design. Routine cleaning is easy, and keeping airflow clear helps maintain performance over long stretches of daily use. Small maintenance wins like this matter to me because they reduce long-term hassle and keep the machine efficient without needing special tools or expensive service visits.
Installation was easier than expected thanks to included side panels and mounting hardware. With basic care during setup, it sat securely and started working right away. I prefer products that ship with what is needed, because missing parts can turn a simple install into a frustrating delay during the hottest days.
For value, this model has been a strong performer in its class. I get real cooling power, practical controls, and useful efficiency modes without paying premium prices for features I would rarely touch. That balance between cost and everyday function is exactly why this purchase has felt worth it for my space.
I run eco mode when conditions are stable and switch to stronger cooling when heat spikes. That strategy keeps comfort high while avoiding unnecessary energy burn. Having both approaches in one unit is helpful because weather and occupancy change through the day, and I can adapt without replacing equipment or overthinking it.
A remote and clear front display make day-to-day use easier from across the room. I can adjust quickly without getting up repeatedly, which sounds small but adds up over time. Convenience features like this help me use the unit more effectively and keep comfort where I want it throughout long afternoons.
I keep expectations realistic and use it for what it is designed to do: cool a defined area efficiently and reliably. In that role, it performs very well and stays consistent even during hot spells. For targeted room comfort, it has become one of the most practical upgrades I have made this season.
Overall, this 8000 BTU window AC gives me what I needed most: quick cooling, straightforward setup, flexible modes, and dependable operation in a